So let me introduce you for the practice of chair yoga, how to use your chair. First of all, it depends a little bit on your body, how you meet your best friend, the chair. This chair is perfect for me. As you can see, I can place my feet underneath my knees, and there is like a 90-degree angle. Now, this is my body with this chair. Maybe your chair is a little bit higher or lower. Then make sure that you either bring the ground up to you by placing something underneath your feet. Yes? This might also help you to ground more in your chair. Or if your feet are quite high up and you cannot make this 90-degree, you might need something underneath your buttocks to find some comfort. This is also helpful, which can be a little pillow or a rolled up blanket when you feel you're falling backwards, yes? The chair is the easiest if it is as square as possible. You can hang something on the back for comfort because we will lean into it. And we will sit in 3 different ways most of the time, either upright, leaning in the back of the chair, and preferably you have no armrests at all, or we coming halfway in the chair, or we coming all the way to the tip of the chair. So find yourself a comfortable companion. Measure yourself with your chair so you know already before you start the classes that you have everything with you to have a comfortable class. And then I see you there. Looking forward.